Organ biology. In biology, an organ is a collection of tissues joined in a structural unit to serve a common function. In the hierarchy of life, an organ lies between tissue and an organ system. Tissues are formed from some type cells to act together in a function. Tissues of different types combine to form an organ which has a specific function. In the intestinal wall, for example, is formed by epithelial tissue and smooth muscle tissue. Two or more organs working together in the execution of a specific body function from an organ system, also called a biological system or body system. An organ tissues can be broadly categorized as parenchyma, the functional tissue, and stroma, the structural tissue with supportive, connective, and ancillary functions. For example, the glands tissue that makes the hormones is the parenchyma, whereas the stroma is include the nerves that innervate the parenchyma, the blood vessels that oxygenate and nourish it and carry away its metabolic waste, and the connective tissue that provides a suitable place for it to be situated and anchored. The main tissue that make up an organ tend to have common embryologic organs, such as arising from the same germ layer. Organs exist in most multicellular organisms. In single-celled organisms such as bacteria, the functional analog of an organ is known as organelle. In plants, there are three main organs in study of anatomy: viscera. Singular viscus refers to the internal organs of the abdominal, thoracic, and pelvis cavities. The abdominal organs may be classified as solid organs or hollow organs. The solid organs and the liver, pancreas, spleen, kidneys, and adrenal glands. The hollow organs of the abdomen are the stomach, intestines, gallbladder, bladder, and rectum. In the thoracic cavity, the heart is a hollow muscular organ. The number of organs in any organism depends on the definition used. By one widely adopted definition, 79 organs have been identified in the human body. Animals, except of Galapagos, multicellular animals including humans have a variety of organ systems. These specific systems are widely studied in human anatomy. The functions of these organ systems often share significant overlap. For instance, the nerves and endocrine system both operate via a shared organ.